Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating place called Mini Siam in Pattaya. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Mini Siam is an incredible miniature park located in Pattaya, Thailand. This unique attraction features replicas of famous landmarks and scenes from around the world, all scaled down to a miniature size. It's like stepping into a magical world, where everything is smaller yet just as impressive. At Mini Siam, you can marvel at miniature versions of the Great Wall of China, Eiffel Tower, Angkor Wat Temple, and even a Thai village scene, all in perfect detail and miniature form. I highly recommend adding Mini Siam to your itinerary if you find yourself in Pattaya. It's an excellent way to spend a few hours exploring the world in a fun and unique way. Plus, it's a great photo opportunity for those Insta-worthy shots. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel tips and recommendations, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy travels, everyone!